din, at any age pwede ka maging tita. Basta magkaanak ang iyong kapatid. So, ayun po, it's been a good experience. I learned a lot about myself as well. Dahil sa character ko na si Sunny, medyo na-inspire ako sa kanya, sa character development.
Ang galing ng mga names ng characters ko kasi siya Rainbow.
Yes.
Umugigil kasi ikaw si Sunny.
Yes, tas yung mother niya na kapatid ko, Reyna din. So, rain, sun, equals rainbow.
Ang galing mo. Kumusta was working with Rita? And also the direct one.
How is it working with Derek?
Ayusin mo.
Derek, huwag ka makinig. Turn away. Hindi. It's been really fun po. Actually, kahit gaano kainit yung araw, kahit gaano kapagod na kami sa shooting, nagagawa pa namin lahat magtawanan, mag-bonding, magtulungan. Kaya ang saya po kasi, sobrang gaan ng set. It's been a good collaboration. Parang